Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Lobstr Wallet and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at lobstr.co, and that's Lobstr, L-O-B-S-T-R. And what is Lobstr all about? Well, it is a simple and secure Stellar wallet. Lobstr is a great way to get started with Stellar. Simple, smooth, and secure. It has all what it takes to manage your lumens wisely. You can download it on the App Store, on Google Play, and it's also available in the Chrome Web Store. You have desktop and mobile. It is safe and secure, simple and clean. It is for the Stellar Decentralized Payment Network. And you can learn more about Lobstr. We got a nice video here that you could take a look at. But is Lobstr worth it? That's what we're going to find out here. So in order to do that, we're going to ask our handy Cider AI tool. If you go to our link tree, and in the description, you can click on that and you will find a link to Cider. You can install that to your Chrome browser and it's easily accessible. Shows up right here anytime you need it, and you can ask questions at any time, which we're going to do right now. And we're going to ask whether or not Lobstr is worth it. We're actually, in this case, going to get our answer from ChatGPT. So according to ChatGPT, Lobstr is a popular wallet designed specifically for managing Stellar assets. It aims to offer a user-friendly experience while providing features essential for both new and experienced users in the Stellar network. Key features include a user-friendly interface, security, cross-platform availability, Stellar support, built-in exchange, community, and support. The pros: intuitive and clean interface, strong security features, convenient token exchange functionality, good mobile and desktop support, focused specifically on Stellar assets. The cons: limited to the Stellar network, not suitable for users looking to manage multiple cryptocurrencies. Some advanced features may be missing compared to more comprehensive wallets. Is it worth it? Conclusion: Lobstr is well-suited for users who are heavily invested in the Stellar ecosystem and prioritize ease of use and security. If you're looking for a straightforward wallet to manage XLM and take advantage of Stellar's features, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you plan to manage a broader range of cryptocurrencies or require advanced features, you might want to look at more versatile wallets. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, don't forget to check out our link tree in the description. You will find a variety of the top AI tools that we have curated on your behalf. We have some excellent promos there, and if you want to get started with Cider, just click on the link. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.